Extended hand to big toe pose, or Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana in Sanskrit, is an asymmetrical standing and balancing posture with one foot planted firmly on the floor and the other foot is stretched up. This is an excellent pose for building balance and focus. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, place your hands on the hips. Inhale and lift the right knee toward the chest. Grasp hold of the right big toe with the right thumb and the first two fingers. Balance on the left leg. Then exhale and stretch the right foot forward. Breathe while holding the pose. For advanced practitioners, when you exhale, lift up the right leg higher while keeping the spine upright and stay balanced onto the left leg. So you bring the top leg closer towards the abdominal and lastly the forehead reaching towards the top leg shin. Exhale and release the foot to the floor. And inhale, back to Tadasana. This is the front view, hands by the hips. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Hold of the right big toe with the right thumb and the first two fingers. Balance on the left leg. Then exhale and stretch the right foot forward. Inhale to energize the body and exhale. Draw the right leg close towards the body while keeping the spine upright and gently bring the forehead close towards the top leg shin. Exhale again and contract the abdominals strongly to keep the spine upright and the hips in its position. Exhale, release the right leg down. Slowly, hands by the hips. Inhale back to Tadasana. Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. It is commonly practiced with the leg extended out to the front, parallel to the floor. In this position, it is important to keep the standing leg knees straight and the spine upright, stacking on the pelvis. With the spine start to tilt to the back or lean forward, the top leg knee should be bent. The front view of Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. The hips should be kept level, spine upright, shoulders same level. If the hip is leaning to one side, the top leg knee should be kept bent. Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana with the leg extended out to the side. Place your hands on the hips. Inhale, raise the left leg up. Exhale, external rotate the hip. Grasp the big toe with the two fingers and the thumb. The knee to be extended when the hips can be maintained at same level. Turn your head to the opposite side of the top leg to challenge your balance. And breathe comfortable in this position. In this position, the hips and chest remain facing forward. Exhale, bend the knee, release back to the front, all the way down to the floor. Exhale, hand aside back to Tadasana. Beginners can practice Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana with a strap. Bind the foot twice to keep it in place. Inhale, raise the right leg up with the help of the strap. Hold firmly on the strap with the hands. Exhale, push your feet out by extending the right knee. In this position, make sure the spine is upright. Upon gaining more flexibility towards the hamstring, the hands walk along the strap closer to the foot. Exhale and release the foot to the floor. This is the front view with the leg extended out to the side using a strap. In this posture, it is important to keep the hips and the chest facing forward, the hips and the shoulders level,